Welcome to Real Talk, featuring Steelhead's quality management system that makes it easy to maintain a high bar in quality standards. The first step to solving any problem is identifying the problem, and once you know what's wrong, you can easily take next steps to resolve it. How are you managing quality today? Is your QMS system digital and integrated into the production floor? Do you know your cost of rework? Are you seeing parts fail and don't know why? Does your quality workflow reduce the speed of getting parts out the door? With a great quality system in place, you will see improvements in quality. Being able to quickly identify trends and make informed decisions drives continuous improvement. Save time and money. Once you are able to pinpoint a problem, you can take the steps necessary to solve it once and for all, keeping rework costs down. Impress auditors and customers. Easily maintain certifications digitally. Steelhead tracks everything in the moment without you putting pen to paper. Steelhead is the all-in-one job shop and contract manufacturing ERP that enables you to move parts, not paper. A fully digital production floor and fully integrated system. So let's jump right into the operator's workspace. Workboards have a highly simplified interface built for your operators to quickly be in and out so they can focus on the work in front of them. So let's say I'm an employee working in receiving. We have these parts here that I was moving with the forklift and they fell and got scraped up. With access to the quality management system, putting parts on hold is the easiest thing to do. Anytime, anywhere, anyone can do it. Just click work parts, click the caret here, and select quality hold. Really, for any reason that parts need to be put on hold, you would use this quality hold function, even if it's just waiting on inventory to come in. Fill in the info here, including quantity, description of the reason for this hold, and the custom inputs section here can be customized according to your shop requirements. I'll attach a picture of the damaged parts, find my file, open that, click markup, the pen right here, highlight this spot, click save, and save. You can do this from the work order page as well, but operators generally will be in this workboards view. When setting up Steelhead, certain permissions can be given to certain users, and any user can put parts on hold, but only permitted users will be able to take parts off the quality hold. Your quality team has instant access to everything going into quality hold. There's no operator having to go look for the quality manager to tell them what's going on. You have these filtering options at the top, and you can add more filters as desired. On this first card, you'll see any parts that have been put on hold, and as soon as an operator puts parts on hold, they'll show up here. From here, if you check the parts and decided they were okay, you just click to send them back into production, and they'll instantly show up back on the operator's workboard where they can resume work on those parts. Or if you need to tell your customer, you can send them a message about the parts. If it's decided that, hey, we need to document and report this and save it, you also have the option to create a non-conformance report describing what the problem is. At the top is your quality hold information. Then all of these input sections are fully customizable. You can give the NCR a name, fill in this info, attach any files that are relevant to this NCR, and then save. Any parts that have NCRs created are listed in the second card here. You can easily edit these, create a new one from scratch, and edit the input schemas with this gear icon. You can create a corrective action report and send emails here. These same icons are used across CARs and RMAs as well. You can easily see by this check notification whether an email has been sent or not. And once these parts are approved to go back into production, just click remove hold, fill in your information, save, and now the status is updated to released. So now it gives you this option to close the NCR, which will remove it from your dashboard list here. Then if you click on this little button, this will give you the list of all NCRs, including closed NCRs that you can't see on this card. Okay, creating a CAR. You can create a car from an existing NCR, go in and edit existing cars, or create a fresh new car. Then you'll see that, for example, this CAR number 21 was created from NCR number 91. So if I go back up here to the NCR card, this NCR 91 still appears here until you go ahead and close that NCR. Here you also have RMAs, parts failing specs card, and below that, all active failing spec field param values table, which gives you a comprehensive overview of all your parts failing specs. But let's say we received a call from ABC Manufacturing. They weren't happy with some parts we sent over. It was part SH123. Let's select these parts and save. Fill in this main input section, attach any files, and that's it. Now my coworker in receiving goes to receive parts. They will select ABC Manufacturing, add in this part number, and boom, Steelhead tells me these parts are in quality hold with an open RMA. So I'll jump to the RMA and send these parts back for rework. This basically takes all paperwork and puts it into a single streamlined system. So one more amazing feature of QMS in Steelhead. Within the reporting dashboard, you can quickly check on insights that will help you identify trends, costs, and number of reworks over time. Here we have an insight on NCR overview and rework events as well. These charts are configurable. You can view the data in any way you choose. Let's say I want to see how many reworks have happened by part number, and then change it to Y bar. If this is something that you'd like to come back to regularly and look at, you can save this configuration here. You can also set it as your default view, and you have the option to add it to a customized dashboard. This one is already on this dashboard here. So if we go over to the weekly management review dashboard, which we created and customized, I can see here this reworks chart, and you can see all of the details here. QMS is a great way to resolve problems and identify areas of improvement to save your shop money over time. That's some real talk.